Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to replace the mirror on a 2018 GMC Sierra. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Gather the replacement mirror, trim tools, a ratchet set, and a panel clip remover. Work in a well-lit area and keep fasteners organized in a tray. Take photos during disassembly to aid reassembly later. Start by lowering the glass slightly to access the trim edges and locate hidden screws. Use a trim tool to gently pry the interior panel trim away, working around the perimeter to release clips without cracking them. Remove screws holding the panel, then lift the panel enough to reach the mirror connector. Press the electrical connector tab and pull straight out to disconnect. Set the panel aside on a soft surface to avoid scratches. With the panel loosened and connector disconnected, have a helper support the mirror from the outside or use tape to hold it. Remove the 3 mounting nuts with a ratchet, then carefully pull the mirror straight off the studs. Transfer any harness grommet or foam to the new mirror if needed. Align the new mirror on the studs, hand thread the nuts to avoid cross-threading, tighten evenly, and reconnect the electrical plug before testing mirror functions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.